So this is the fitness tractor I just got, and it comes with a color display, and the first thing you want to do is peel off the plastic coating, and then you'll note on the back it says that one side has the USB attachment, and that's where you want to access that so you can charge it. So how to do that is you firmly hold on to both sides and kind of wiggle back and forth and pull. I mean, it takes a bit of work to get these things open. And then you can see here is the port, and you plug that into a USB charger. It takes about an hour and a half or so to charge.
For 7 to 10 days use.